Number 1. Look for freelancing work. Another popular way to earn money online is through freelance work. Those who are good at programming, editing, writing, designing, and more can look at portals like Upwork, People Per Hour, Cool Kanya, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find work with businesses that look for freelancers. Number 2. Try content writing jobs. If you're good at writing, you can even look to make money online through content writing. Lots of companies these days outsource their content work. You can register yourself on websites that offer this online work, such as Internshala, Freelancer, Upwork, and Guru. There, you can set your preferences as a writer and then start to get paid work from companies to write about things like brands, food, travel, and other topics, or even just correcting existing articles. Number 3. Start blogging. If you enjoy writing, but you don't want to work as a content writer for others, you can also start your own blog. Blogging sites like WordPress, Medium, Weebly, or Blogger offer both free and paid services. Once you know your areas of interest, like book reviews, food recipes, travel, arts and crafts, etc., you can start writing about it. Number 4. Sell your digital products. You can also distribute and sell these kinds of downloadable or streamable media through sites such as Amazon, Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. Since you only need to make your product one time, and you can sell it as many times as you want, you can have high profit margins for a well-made and unique product. Number 5. Look for translation jobs online. If you are someone who knows multiple languages, you can also earn money online as a translator. In this global age, there is quite a demand for people to translate everything from documents to voicemails, papers, subtitles, and much more. You can find such work with specialized translation agencies or through freelancing portals such as Freelance India, Upwork, or Freelancer. Number 6. Beta test apps and websites before they are released. Since almost everyone has a smartphone or a computer these days, one of the easiest ways to earn money online is by testing out apps and websites. As companies and app developers don't want users to get confused by their new products, they hire users to do what is called beta testing. Sites like Beta Testing, Testerwork, Test.io, or TryMyUI offer such jobs. Number 7. Work as a travel agent. One underrated and easy job you can do online is to find work as a travel agent or a travel planner. While making travel bookings can be done online nowadays, it can be quite a hassle for those who are busy with work or unfamiliar with the internet. Thus, many people look for travel agents to help them through the process. Number 8. Find data entry jobs. Another option to make money from home is through data entry jobs. These kinds of jobs can be done online with just a computer, knowledge of Excel and other Microsoft tools. You just need to register on a trusted site like Axion Data Entry Services, Data Plus, Freelancer, or Guru. Number 9. Opt for online tutoring. If you have a lot of knowledge about a given subject, or you are currently a college student, one good option to earn money online might be to offer online tutoring lessons. Students at every level are looking for lessons in everything from English, math, science, history, and even help with competitive exams. And based on which subjects you teach, you can set an hourly rate based on your expertise, and you can earn up to 200 rupees minus 500 per hour. Number 10. Invest in stocks. A lot of people are wary of investing in the stock market, but it can be a great way to make money online. When you invest in stocks, you are just buying shares of a company, and when those company shares increase in value, you will get paid dividends by the company. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.